Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload photos on TikTok with a high speed. So when you upload photos, go here to templates. You can find it below, and then you will see the templates provided by TikTok. So here you will have to choose a template with a fast transition for photos. So as you can see here, this one has a high speed slideshow or transition. So you just have to click upload, and then you will have to wait for it to download on your device. And then after that, it will require you to select photos that you want to use for the video. So I'm just selecting these photos. So the number of photos will depend on the template. So click OK, and then you will see that you already have speed up version of a slideshow of your photos for TikTok. So that's the first method. The second method here is when you upload photos, click this gallery or camera roll. Just wait for that to load, and then you will see on the right side these different features or icons options. So you just have to go to editor. You will see it here, this one. So when you click that, it will bring you to this timeline of the video. So what you will have to do is to adjust the screen time of each photos. So you can adjust it like this, like what I am doing here. So just do that for each photo. And then after doing that, you just have to click save. And then you will notice now that the photo transitions are much faster than it was originally. So that's it. That's how you upload speed up photos on TikTok. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.